Hello everyone, I'm Victor. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. We truly appreciate your interest and your valuable time. It's great to have professionals from across the design, engineering, and manufacturing communities with us. Your presence here reflects a shared commitment to improving how products are designed, developed, and delivered. In today's competitive landscape, engineering and manufacturing companies are expected to do more with less. Faster design cycles, better product quality, lower cost, and seamless collaboration are no longer optional, they are essential. Yet, many organizations still face challenges with disconnected tools, rising software costs, and workflows that slow down progress instead of enabling it. This is where SolidPlus3D comes in. SolidPlus3D is a technology-driven company focused on delivering practical and innovative software solutions for the engineering industry. Our approach is simple. We aim to build solutions that are not only powerful but also practical and accessible for real-world use. Our vision is to provide reliable engineering solutions that support effective product development across industries. And our mission is to empower businesses with integrated tools that streamline processes, enhance productivity, and support continuous innovation. We believe that engineering software should enable teams, not overwhelm them. It should simplify workflows, not complicate them. To support this vision, we have developed a comprehensive portfolio that addresses the complete product development lifecycle. Our solutions cover design and 3D modeling, simulation and validation, data management and collaboration, and enterprise-level integration with systems such as ERP and CRM. Each solution is designed to work seamlessly together, creating a connected ecosystem rather than isolated tools. This helps organizations improve efficiency, enhance collaboration, and make faster, better decisions throughout the product development process.
Hi all, I am Prabhu. I represent SolidPlus3D, working as a Vice President. I drive business through our channel partners. So today I would like to give a short introduction about my company and what we deliver. So at SolidPlus3D, our focus is on delivering practical value to our customers. We offer cost-effective solutions that make advanced engineering tools which is more accessible, along with scalable platforms that grow with your business. Our integrated workflows help reduce complexity by connecting different stages of product development, while our intuitive design ensures easy adoption with minimal learning curves. So ultimately, our goal is to simplify complexity and help organizations accelerate their product development process. So at SolidPlus3D, we follow a strong channel-driven approach as a core part of our business strategy. We work closely with a network of trusted reseller partners who brings deep regional knowledge and industry expertise. This approach allows us to deliver faster response times, ensuring that customers' needs are addressed quickly and efficiently, which also enables localized support so customers can engage with partners who understand the specific market, language, and business environment. In addition, our partner provide a more personalized experience, working closely with customers throughout their journey, starting from evaluation and implementation to ongoing support. At SolidPlus3D, we see our partners not just as a reseller, but as an extension of our own team, playing a critical role in delivering consistent value and long-term success to our customers. We would now like to introduce some of our value channel partners. You will hear directly from them about their experience working with SolidPlus3D. Thank you.
Hi, myself Nachiket Wag from Impetus Info Solutions, Pune. We have been selling CAD softwares in India for last almost 8 years now. We have seen a very good potential in SolidPlus3D software, which offers various features which are required by manufacturing industry, and that too particularly in MSME segment at a very competitive pricing. And all of the features are appreciated by our customers. So we wish success for SolidPlus3D in India. Thanks.
Hello, I am Hemant Patel from Horizon Technologies. At Horizon Technologies, we specialize in delivering advanced CAD and 3D engineering solutions that help businesses improve design and efficiency and innovation. We choose to partner with SolidPlus3D because of its powerful capabilities, user-friendly approach, and strong commitment to empower partners and customers. Together, we aim to bring cutting edge 3D solutions to our clients and drive real values in their product development journey. We are excited to be part of SolidPlus3D ecosystem and look forward to growing together. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Satish Mathishekaran from Cosmic Star Technologies. Cosmic Star Technologies delivers end-to-end BIM solutions for AEC industry and digital engineering solutions for manufacturing industry. Cosmic Star Technologies is an authorized partner for SolidPlus3D. We actually help engineering professionals to use SolidPlus3D, thereby improving their efficiency, accuracy, and overall productivity by supporting them with selling the software, service, support, and also providing training for them. We are excited to be a part of SolidPlus3D ecosystem, thereby delivering value and growth together with SolidPlus3D team. We chose SolidPlus3D purely because it's a made in India solution which is highly affordable, easy to use, and very powerful, especially in this volatile and ever-changing manufacturing industry. We wish you all the best for a great financial year, and thank you very much for this great opportunity.
Hello everyone. Today, Sidwin Technologies is proud to collaborate with SolidPlus, a partnership built on innovation, trust, and a commitment to delivering advanced technology solutions. At Sidwin, we have always focused on pushing the boundaries of software and digital transformation. And with SolidPlus alongside us, we see even greater opportunities to create impactful solutions and drive meaningful progress. We would also like to extend our warm congratulations to the entire SolidPlus team on this collaboration. Together, we are stepping into an exciting new phase, especially with the upcoming 2026 version, which reflects our shared dedication and innovation and excellence. We truly look forward to this journey ahead and achieving great milestones together. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tanya from Triple Infotech, India's premium 3D scanning and metrology solution. At Triple Infotech, we work closely with design and manufacturing industries, helping them improve accuracy and speed in product development. Partnering with SolidPlus3D was a natural choice for us. It's a powerful made in India CAD software that truly understands the need of our engineering ecosystem. We are proud to represent SolidPlus3D across South India, supporting businesses with smarter, more efficient design solutions. Being part of a homegrown innovation journey like this makes it even more meaningful for us. We are excited to grow together. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Pranav Sondhi, founder and CEO of Crescent Engineering. We specialize in design automation, specifically CAD automation, manufacturing consulting, and design development solutions. We are also a reseller for SolidPlus3D, a system that, with its robust features and reliability, allow us to deliver cutting-edge solutions and integrated ecosystems for our clients. Thank you.
Hello, I am Anantu. Businesses choose SolidPlus3D for its balanced approach, combining capability with simplicity. Our solutions are designed to fit into existing workflows without adding unnecessary complexity while still delivering the performance and functionality that engineering teams expect. We offer comprehensive ecosystems that brings together design, simulation, data management into one connected platform. With seamless integration across tools, teams can work more efficiently without switching between multiple systems. Our flexible and affordable licensing models, including perpetual license, make it easier for organization to adopt and scale. At the same time, our user-friendly interface ensures a shorter learning curve, helps team get productivity very quickly. With strong partner-driven support, customers benefit from localized expertise and responsive service throughout the journey. This value is reflected in the feedback we receive from our customers. We have reported faster design cycles, improved collaboration across teams, and noticeable reduction in overall software cost. They consistently highlight the ease of use and the practical approach that SolidPlus3D brings to the daily workflows.
I'm Karthik from Venus Home Appliances, a water heater manufacturer. We have recently using SolidPlus 2024 Premium, a software for our product development activities.
From our experience, SolidPlus 2024 Premium has improved our design workflow. The interface is simple and our team was able to adapt quickly without much training. It helps us to complete our regular 3D modeling tasks effectively and with good accuracy. Overall, it supports our day-to-day product development activities effectively.
Thank you.
Let me give you a quick overview of SolidPlus3D product portfolio that are being launched today. At SolidPlus3D, we offer a comprehensive suite of solutions covering entire product development lifecycle. Starting with our CAD portfolio, we have SolidPlus3D as our core platform along with the specialized solutions like Span3D, SolidPlus3D to address different design needs. Our SolidPlus3D solution supports FEA, while Product Plus helps manage data efficiently. And for communication visualization, we offer VisDoc and ViewPlus3D. Together, these solutions form a connected ecosystems designed to simplify workflows and support end-to-end product development. Let's now move on to the product demonstration to see how SolidPlus can support your engineering and business needs in the real-world scenario.
Greetings everyone, I'm Manishankar. Welcome to this SolidPlus3D CAD demonstration. In this video, we are going to explore the complete factory layout designed using SolidPlus3D. Here, you can see this arrangement of various production machines, workstations, and equipment within the shop floor. This digital layout helps in better space utilization, efficient workflow planning, and improved production management. Now, let's move on to the model tree. On the left side, you can observe the complete assembly structure. It includes all the sub-assemblies and the individual parts organized in a hierarchical format. SolidPlus3D also provides the total number of components in the assembly, making it easy to understand the model complexity and structure. Next, we'll open the main assembly directly from the factory layout. This allows us to view the entire system in detail and understand how the different machines are integrated. Now, let's open a sub-assembly from the main assembly. This helps us to focus on a specific section or a machine group. Using this approach, the design engineers can easily review, modify, and analyze individual sections without affecting the complete assembly. Now, let's proceed with creating a new component, the connector plate, using the top-down assembly approach in SolidPlus3D. In a top-down approach, the components are created within the context of the assembly. This ensures a perfect fit, alignment, and design intent, especially when multiple parts are interdependent. Compared to the bottom-up approach, where parts are created independently, top-down design helps reduce errors, minimizing rework, and improves overall design efficiency. Now, we will create the connector plate directly within the assembly. First, we begin with the sketch on the required plate. Using the sketch tools, we define the basic profile of the connector plate. To maintain accurate positioning, we use project geometry for references of adjacent components. This ensures that the new part is driven by actual assembly conditions rather than the assumed dimensions. Next, we apply a collinear geometric constraint to align the entities within the projected edges. This guarantees a proper alignment and eliminates potential mismatch during assembly. Once the sketch is fully constrained, we proceed to add the thickness using the extrude feature. Now, for the slotted hole, instead of adding a manual dimensioning, we again use project geometry to reference the slot from the adjacent part. So this ensures positional accuracy and maintenance and associativity. We then create the slot feature and extend it up to the required surface using the surface reference options. This method ensures that any future changes in the pan or adjacent components will automatically update the connector plate, maintaining the design intent and reducing the manual corrections. Overall, the top-down approach improves design accuracy, speeds up development, and ensures better coordination between interconnected components. With this, the connector plate is successfully created within the assembly environment. Now, let's open the connector plate as a separate part. Working in an individual part environment allows us to focus on detailed feature creation and refinement without the complexity of the full assembly. First, we will add chamfers to all the four corners of the plate. Chamfers help in removing sharp edges, improving safety, and also assist in ease of manufacturing and assembly. Next, we define the hole locations using the sketch dimensions from the part edges. This ensures a proper positioning and maintains design accuracy based on functional requirements. Now, instead of creating holes manually, we will use the hole library. We select the standard isometric hole and place at the four corners accordingly. Using standard hole definitions, it is important from an engineering perspective as it ensures a compatibility with the standard fasteners and reduces manufacturing ambiguity. Next, we assign the material to the part from the material library. Applying material is just not only visualization, it also plays a critical role in engineering calculations. Once the material is assigned, SolidPlus3D automatically calculates the mass properties such as weight, volume, and center of gravity. This is essential for design validation, cost estimation, and ensuring the components meets the structural and functional requirements. We can also add additional properties such as description, part name, and material specifications. These properties are useful for documentation, BOM generation, and downstream processes. Now, let's move on to create a 2D drawing of the part. We select a custom drawing template based on a company standards. This ensures consistency in documentation and aligns with the manufacturing requirements. After placing the base view, we adjust the view scale for a better clarity. Then, we add projected views to clearly represent different orientations of the part. These drawings are essential for manufacturing, inspection, and communication between design and production teams. With this, the connector plate is fully detailed, documented, and ready for manufacturing. Finally, let's highlight the auto dimension feature. This tool automatically generates dimensions for the drawing, significantly reducing the manual effort and saving time. Once the dimensions are created, we can rearrange and organize them for a better clarity and readability. Proper arranged dimensions ensures that the drawing is used to understand and fully compliant with the manufacturing standards. Next, we will add manual dimensions to this drawing views. While auto dimensions provide a quick starting point, manual dimensions are essential to clearly define critical features and ensures manufacturing accuracy. Now, let's create a detailed view for the slotted feature. This allows us to zoom into the slotted area and clearly present its geometry and dimensions, which is especially useful for complex and small features. Finally, we notice how the metadata information is in the drawing title block is updated automatically. properties such as part name, material, description are directly linked to the model. This ensures consistency, reduces manual errors, and keeps the documentation always up to date with the design changes. Now, let's create a section view of the part. Section views are extremely useful to reveal internal features that are not clearly visible in the standard views. This helps in better understanding of the part geometry and improves clarity for manufacturing. We define the section line and generate the section views accordingly. On the section view, it is created, we proceed to add required dimensions. Dimensions in section views is important to accurately communicate internal details such as thickness, hole depth, and feature positions. This ensures that all critical information is clearly represented for production and inspection. Now, let's add dimension tolerances to the drawing. Tolerances are critical in engineering drawings as they define the allowable variation in size and ensure proper fit and function of mating components. We can specify limits, fits, and standard tolerance values directly to the dimensions based on the design requirements. Next, we will highlight the options to copy the properties from one dimension to another. This feature helps in maintaining consistency across the drawing by quickly applying the same tolerance, style, and formatting to multiple dimensions. It also reduces the manual effort and ensures adherence to the drafting standards. Now, let's open the subassembly. Working within the subassembly allows us to focus on a specific section of the design and efficiently manage component level operations. Next, we will add fasteners from the Content Central library. Using standard fasteners from the library ensures that the components are compliant with the industry standards and readily available for manufacturing and procurement. We can quickly select the required bolt, nut, or washers and place them at the appropriate locations. After placing the fasteners, we apply the mates to properly position and constrain them. Mates define the relationship between components, ensuring correct alignment, positioning, and assembly behavior. This step is essential to achieve a fully defined and a functionality accurate assembly. Finally, let's highlight the assembly display states. So, display states allows us to control the visual representation of components within the assembly without affecting their position or constraints. We can quickly switch between different display configurations such as hiding or showing components, applying transparency, or changing the visual styles. This is especially useful for presentations, design reviews, and focusing on specific areas of the assembly without modifying the actual model. Now, let's move on to creating the assembly drawing. First, we highlight the automatic generation of standard views. The system quickly creates the base and the projected views of the complete assembly, saving significant time in documentation. Next, we add assembly dimensions to define the overall size and critical relationship between the components. For inspection purposes, we use baseline dimensions. This method helps in maintaining consistency and is widely used in quality control to measure features from a common reference. Now, let's add annotations from the symbol library such as datums and GD&T symbols. These annotations are essential in communicating design intent, tolerances, and functional requirements as per engineering standards. We can also create detailed views from the assembly to highlight specific areas that requires closer inspection. Finally, we generate assembly section views to clearly show internal components and their relationships. These tools together ensures that the assembly drawing is complete, clear, and ready for manufacturing and inspection. Now let's add a new drawing sheet for the same project. This allows us to present an additional information or views without overcrowding the existing sheet, maintaining clarity and standard documentation practices. Next, we insert an isometric view of an assembly. This provides a clear 3D representation, helping in better visualization of the complete setup. We can also change the display state of the assembly in the view to highlight specific components or simplify the presentation. Now, let's add auto balloons. This system generates balloons for all components in the assembly view. We can then arrange these balloons nearly to improve readability and ensure clear identification of parts. Finally, we generate an automatic bill of materials from the assembly view. This BOM lists all components along with their details, enabling easy references for manufacturing, procurement, and assembly process. With this, the drawing documentation for the assembly is complete and fully structured. Finally, let's highlight the assembly exploded views. The exploded views visually separates components of the assembly, clearly showing how each part is positioned and assembled. This is extremely useful for assembly understanding, service documentation, and presentation. Now we create the exploded view drawings. In this drawing, we can add balloons to identify each component in the exploded state. The ballooning automatically corresponds with the bill of materials. We can also generate the bill of material list, which provides a complete breakdown of all the components used in the assembly. In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, sheet metal designs demands accuracy, speed, and seamless integration. With SolidPlus3D, you can get a powerful all-in-one solution built specifically for modern engineering needs. SolidPlus3D offers a dedicated sheet metal environment designed to simplify complex design tasks. Engineers can easily create sheet metal components using bends, flanges, and punch tools with precision and control. Whether you are designing simple brackets or complex enclosures, the system provides flexible tools to modify geometry, adjust features, and it iterates design quickly. What truly sets SolidPlus3D apart is its end-to-end workflow, from initial design to detailed modeling to manufacturing output. Everything happens within a single unified platform. With just a click, generate automatic flat patterns from your 3D models. So this eliminates a manual effort and ensures consistency across designs. Next, accuracy. Accuracy is critical in sheet metal fabrication. SolidPlus3D uses industry standard calculations such as the bend allowance, K factor, and ensuring your parts are manufactured exactly as designed. Next, flat patterns can be exported directly as DXF files, making them ready for CNC cutting and shop floor operations. The software automatically generates bend notes and bend tables, providing clear instructions for fabrication teams and reducing communication errors. Even if your design comes from another CAD system, SolidPlus3D has you covered. You can import sheet metal models and still create accurate flat patterns without rebuilding the geometry. This means there is a less rework, faster turnaround, and improved collaboration between design and manufacturing teams. SolidPlus3D transforms sheet metal design into a streamlined and efficient process from concept to flat pattern to fabrication, all within one single intelligent platform. We'll now explore how SolidPlus3D enables engineers and designers to create accurate and efficient steel structures. Specifically, this storage rack which is placed inside this plant layout. Now, designing steel structures manually can be a time-consuming, error-prone, and difficult to manage. But what if we could simplify the entire process from modeling to fabrication in one seamless workflow? Welcome to SolidPlus3D, a steel structure design tool integrated inside SolidPlus3D. So StructPlus3D has complete solutions right from standard sections to automated connections and from editing tools to fabrication outputs. So everything is integrated into a single powerful environment. Let's begin with the foundation of any steel design, that is a standard structural library. So StructPlus3D provides a comprehensive collection of ready-to-use structural library profiles, which includes I-beams, rectangular tubes, square tubes, channels, angles, pipes, and many more. So all these profiles can be directly added on either to the 2D or 3D sketch, which is already designed in SolidPlus3D. This not only saves time but also ensures the standardization of your profiles. Now let's modify or change the profile positions. So how do we do that? So once the structure is created, there is always need of modifying or changing the profile positions or profile orientations. So in StructPlus3D, it offers advanced structure editing tools for accurate modeling. So we can easily perform a trimming and extending of members. We can also create complex joints, as well as we can align the structural elements with respect to the standard structure beams. So all with a high precision and minimal effort, this can be automated with respect to the design solutions here. So even complex nodal connections can be handled very much effectively in StructPlus3D. So what used to require a multiple step operation is now completed in just a few clicks. So now let's talk on how do I add a sheet metal rack plate inside this frame design. So I have to create a base plate as per the frame sizes. Then I'll have to define a sheet metal I'll have to define the sheet metal thickness, and I'll also add the sheet metal rules, like I need to update with the bend informations like the bend radius as well as the bend K factor, as well as all those standard rules can be added to the sheet metal part. And next, once the rule is added, we will now have to add the cuts on the corners by creating the sketches. Later, these cuts can be mirrored on all the corners with respect to the center plane. So once the cuts are created, now let us save the sheet metal part now. And now let's insert the sheet metal part in the frame assembly. So once the sheet metal frame assembly is inserted, now I can make patterns of the same rack just by using the pattern features in SolidPlus3D. Now let's talk on the automatic connection features and the bolted connections. So one of the most powerful features of StructPlus3D is its automatic connection capability. So the designers can generate automatically the base plates, the end plates, and even the connection plates. So with predefined rules and intelligent placements, so this emphasizes that the connections are created very instantly and accurately. You can also adjust the parameters like the plate thickness, the bolt positions, and even the hole sizes can also be modified. So later even we can add the cut list on the structural designs now. So now let's talk on the bill of materials. That's the cut list. So as the design progresses, tracking materials becomes very essential for any fabrication design. So in StructPlus3D, automatically generates reports in customized Excel format. So the report includes the data or informations like the part length, the part weight, the cut length details, and even it includes the quantity list of the part. So this emphasizes that there is no manual calculation involved in the entire design process, as well as there is no errors in the bill of material list here. So this helps to streamline the procurement, as well as it reduces the material wastage while we design this fabrication designs here. And finally, creating a fabrication drawings along with bill of materials is a crucial step in any design. So once the model is complete, generating drawings becomes effortless. So in SolidPlus3D, we can create detailed fabrication drawings directly from the completed model. So this fabrication drawings includes all the dimensions apart from the numbering of each parts or the cut list, as well as you can generate the bill of material list. So this emphasizes that we get a very precise drawing and it's shop floor ready for immediate manufacturing. And any design which happens or any changes which happens on the drawings, it instantly changes on the drawings. So on a closing note, SolidPlus3D doesn't help you to design steel structures, it also empowers you to it helps you to create or deliver a complete, accurate and production ready solutions with respect to your fabrication drawings. Let's take a look at how we can perform simulation using SolidPlus3D and integrated add-on for SolidPlus3D. First, SolidPlus3D works as an integrated FEA add-on extending your CAD capabilities. So you can run simulations without leaving your design environment. SolidPlus3D supports multi-CAD data, allowing you to import models from STEP, IGS or even STL file formats. However, you can start working on the models right away. So once the model is ready, now we can begin by generating the mesh. SolidPlus3D provides flexible meshing options, both simple as well as complex meshing, which helps you to balance accuracy and performance on your model. Next, we can assign material properties, ensuring the simulation reflects real-world behavior. So we can create our own material properties based on the inputs provided as per the material standards. Once the material is applied, now we can define the working conditions starting with the constraints. So let's first apply the constraints on the 3D geometry. Once the constraints are applied, now we can apply the load to simulate the actual operating conditions. So once everything is set, now we can run the simulation using the built-in FEM Calculix solver to get the accurate results. So now once the meshing is complete, now we can run the results and we can see the results from the color plots. So you can notice after solving, the results are displayed clearly. You can visualize the stress distribution and you can compare the results based on the original shape against the deformed shape under the applied load conditions. To explore further, we can make use of the probing tools to check the values at specific locations. You can even manipulate the results at different edges, vertices or even faces. You can also run multiple iterations applying different loads and boundary conditions, and you can refine the design step by step, so which will help you to get optimal performance of your designs. So all of this helps to reduce your errors, minimize your rework and ensures your design is ready for manufacturing. SolidPlus3D is making a simulation simple, efficient and it's fully integrated into your design workflow. In manufacturing, design alone is not enough. Control and coordination are what drive a real efficiency. With SolidPlus3D, we go beyond design. We help you control, validate and manufacture your products using your fully integrated CAD plus a PDM environment. Many teams face challenges like working with outdated drawings, confusions in revisions and lack of coordination between departments. So these issues lead to rework, delays and increased cost. Product Plus solve this with a controlled design environment, ensuring every file is secure, organized, and accessible. Its revision management system ensures you always work with the latest version every time. It enables a seamless design to manufacturing workflow, ensuring that the latest drawings reach the shop floor without a delay. This significantly reduces rework and material scrap. Product Plus also improves coordination between design, production, and purchase teams, keeping everyone aligned with an accurate data. So in SolidPlus3D, along with Product Plus, transforms your process into a connected, control, and production-ready system, helping you to reduce errors, save time, and deliver better products faster. Not everyone in your team has access to CAD software, but everyone needs to understand the design. So introducing ViewPlus3D, a powerful solution that lets you to open 3D models, 3D part designs, 3D assembly designs without needing a full CAD license. So with support from multiple CAD formats, ViewPlus3D ensures that your team can access design data anytime, anywhere, at any given place. So in ViewPlus3D, we can rotate, zoom, and explore every detail of your design with clarity. So even complex assemblies becomes easy to understand with ViewPlus3D. So now coming back to measure and analyze, with the built-in measure and analysis tools, you can instantly verify dimensions, check clearances, and validate designs. So without going back to the CAD team. So also the collaboration is very much easy with ViewPlus3D. Collaborate better with markup and feedback tools. So you can add comments, highlight issues, and communicate changes clearly across teams. And on a real world usage, it is very helpful for the shop floor engineer. It can be a tool for meeting room discussions, and it can be a tool for customer presentations. So ViewPlus3D keeps everyone on the same page. So on a closing note, so we can have an entire team focus on your design from shop floor to customer. Everyone can view and understand 3D designs effectively and effortlessly without a CAD software. So ViewPlus3D making designs communication simple. In today's engineering environment, every team needs clarity, speed, and most importantly, the right tools. Introducing Span3D, a powerful basic engineering tool developed for complete design and collaboration. So Span3D keeps everyone connected. It's aligned and it's moving faster. So from shop floor to production to quality and even your marketing and sales teams, Span3D connects everyone with the same data. And using Span3D, you can open and explore 3D assemblies, create precise 3D parts, and build complete assemblies with complete control and ease. Also, you can generate 2D drawings, work with multi-CAD files, measure imported geometry, and directly edit imported models. So this helps to reduce errors, save time, and improve collaboration across your entire organization, delivering efficiency at every step. So on a closing note, Span3D, it's a one tool for every team along with total control. To conclude this online product demonstration, we have covered the following products: SolidPlus3D, a complete 3D CAD for product design; StructPlus3D for structural design and fabrication drawings; SolidPlus3D for accurate simulation and design validation; Product Plus for product data management; ViewPlus3D for data communication and collaboration; Span3D for quick 3D edits and design reviews.
As we conclude today's session, I would like to sincerely thank you all for joining us. We truly appreciate your time and your interest in learning more about SolidPlus3D and our solutions. We hope this session has given you a clear understanding of how we are working to simplify product development through practical, integrated, and cost-effective tools. At SolidPlus3D, our focus is on enabling business to work more efficiently, reduce complexity, and accelerate innovation. We also extend our thanks to our partners who play a key role in delivering localized support and ensuring customer success. If you would like to explore our solutions further or request a personalized demo, our team will be happy to connect with you. Once again, thank you for your time and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.